Hello everyone. In this video we will see the structure of Arduino programming and some basic functions. The structure of an Arduino program basically consists of two functions. One is setup function, the other one is loop function. When you open a sketch, the program which we write in an Arduino is called as a sketch. When we open a sketch in Arduino, we see two functions. One is void setup, the other one is void loop. This is a screenshot. Then the setup function, it is used to set up the code. That is the basic declarations of variables, modes of different pins are given in the setup function. Then the loop function. In loop function, whatever we want to write the coding which has to be repeated, all the instructions are written in the void loop function. As I explained, the setup function is used to initialize variables, different modes of the pins, declaring the libraries, etc. First function which we see here today is pin mode function. This pin mode function is used to declare a pin on the Arduino board as an input pin or an output pin. Here, for example, if I want to declare pin number 13 as an output pin, then I can use this function pin mode as pin mode number, that is pin number 13, comma output. This instruction will make the pin number 13 as an output pin. Similarly, if you want to declare or make this pin number 13 as input, you have to give here input. This input and the output you have to give in capital letters, and pin mode M has to be written in capital. So this pin mode function can be used to declare a pin as an input pin or an output pin. Next, writing any digital value or reading a digital value from any pin. For that, let us see first how to read any digital value. In order to read a digital value from a pin, the syntax which we use for the function is digital read pin. That is, whatever the pin number you give here, that pin will be read, or the data on that pin is taken with the help of this function digital read pin. Example, if I want to use this pin number 13 to read any digital value, then I'll simply write the instruction as digital read pin number, whatever you want. Here I am using 13. Again here R should be in capital letters. Then next one is how to write a digital value. Okay, for that we use digital write function. Okay, this is the syntax: digital write pin number and then value. If I want to give a low value to pin number 13, this is the syntax. I will write digital write, open the brackets, pin number 13, comma low. Again here W has to be written in capital. Or if you want to give a high value, then we write digital write 13, comma high. So this last instruction will apply a high voltage to pin number 13. If I write digital write pin number and low, then it will give 0 volts to that particular pin. So like this we can give a high voltage or a low voltage to a pin, digital pin. This is about writing and reading digital values. Next, let us see how do we write analog values. First we will see how to read analog values. Analog values can be read using the function analog read, whatever is the pin number. From this function, in this example, analog read A0, the data on the pin A0 is read. Similarly, if we want to read any analog value from pin number 2, we write analog read 2. Again here R is capital in this function. Next, analog write. This is used for writing analog value to any pin number. So we write analog write pin comma value. And we have to remember that analog outputs can be given only to pin numbers 3, 5, 6, 9, 10 and 11 on Arduino Uno board, and we can give analog input value to pins 0 to 5. This is about some basic functions like digital functions and analog functions, that is digital read or write and analog read or write, and also setting any pin as output or input.